Hi YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how to make a fixed or rotating fly tying vise. A very simple design made from stuff you probably already have around in your garage. Here is the fixed fly tying vise grips. Very simple, as you can see. So you can see all I have here is the vise, the PVC pipe, and what I did is I used the heat gun to heat that up and smash that to attach the vise grips. At the end of this video I'll show you how to make the rotating fly tying vise. The materials you need are 1/2 inch PVC pipe. So I'll cut my PVC to about 9 inches. So this part is easy, doesn't need much explanation. Just use the heat gun, heat up the area, and start tightening the vise so it softens the plastic, and you could eventually squish it down to something that's flat like this. And once your PVC is flat like this, the vise grips will go inside. And as you can see, the vise grips may slip and turn. So what I've done is, you see the little metal piece there? I cut a little notch using the Dremel tool. Just cutting that in there like that. So when you stick the vise grips in, it won't turn. Nice and tight. Oh, and one more tip regarding the notch on the PVC pipe. Have it on the back side so your vise grips won't be pointing up like that. It'll be pointing straight, so your hook would be straight like that. Hope that makes sense. And here is the rotating head, rotating fly tying vise. And if you don't, if you think that this will slide down, you can just attach the hose clamp to the bottom. That'll keep that from sliding down. So you get your 1/2 inch T connector, and normally this will not go all the way through. In order for this to go all the way through, I have my Dremel tool and I rounded out the inside so this piece can go all the way through. And here's the completed rotating vise. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will make your own. Have a great day.